just want to show you, I got me a hole cutter from Woodcraft, and it all came in a cardboard box. I ordered an extra bit, and of course the Allen wrench comes with it. But I built this nice little storage box using some box joints, and it all fits in here so I can keep it nice and pretty and dust free for most of the time. And that's what I've been doing this week. I took a break from my letterbox to work on this box. This is what I've been working on today. I had these two cabinets, so I used the French cleat system to hang it up on the wall, and then I emptied everything and relabeled it so that I can halfway find what I'm looking for without doing the 100 drawer shuffle routine. I think I'm going to build another shelf up here to hold my radio. And I just wanted to give you an overall shot of the shop because this is about the cleanest I've had it in a while. But I'm going to get you up to what I'm actually doing here in just a second. On my workbench today, I've got this honing guide that I just purchased from Woodcraft, and I did this bench plane. That thing wouldn't cut butter, but now it was making some really nice shavings. I'm going to touch up my block plane. It's got a little nick in it that leaves telltale signs. And now I'm working on my chisels. They say forgiveness is easier to ask than permission, and I'm just cutting up our Christmas card that I normally put out in the front yard. Because I plan on using it with the French cleat system so that I can mount small tools like this onto the board. As you can see, my plane's there, and there we go. Hey, I'm in trouble. There's the little spot right up there to the right of the cabinets that I'm going to be putting another storage shelf. And this is a sheet of plywood that I'll be hanging there, and I've got the French cleats installed. And this is how I'm going to install all the different tool holders onto the plywood with keyhole slots. Keek's got my plywood hanging, and there's my 2 screws. Now to put on the holder. There we go. I have chisels that go from 1 inch to 3/4. I got 2 1/2 inches and 1/4 inch right here, but I've got an empty slot. I'm looking for maybe a 3/16 or a 1/8. Do y'all know if they even make such a thing? I can't find them. This is going to be the last holder that I'm going to build for a while because I've got a hiking trip coming up with my son. I got to start getting prepared for it. But here's a holder that's going to hold my number 4 bench plane. Got a little contour on it, so you kind of know that that's made for the plane. And also the bottom has got a dado slot in there so that when I set it in there, the blade is setting in midair. So, and it's got, I went ahead and put the keyhole slots on the back of it, so it'll be ready to go. Well, this is my last project for a while, but here is my plane holder that will be mounted on the wall with that keyhole slots, much like the chisel holder. And it's made perfectly to hold my number 4 Stanley Bench Plane. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. We'll see you later.